Forward, stay updated on the latest trends. Fashion is an ever-evolving industry, with new trends constantly emerging and making their mark on the world. Staying updated on the latest fashion trends can be an exciting and challenging task, as it requires keeping an eye on fashion shows, social media influencers, and fashion magazines. In this article, we will explore various ways to stay fashion forward and ensure that you are always ahead of the curve. Fashion shows are one of the best platforms to get a glimpse of the latest trends in the industry. These shows are a showcase of creativity and innovation, where designers present their latest collections to the world. Attending fashion shows can be an exhilarating experience, but not everyone has the opportunity to be physically present at these events. Watching these shows can give you insight into the upcoming trends, colors, fabrics, and silhouettes. In addition to fashion shows, social media has become a significant influencer in the fashion industry. Platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok have given rise to numerous fashion influencers. Hosts share their personal style, fashion tips, and insights into the latest trends. Following these influencers can be a great way to stay updated on the fashion scene. They often post outfit ideas, fashion hauls, and product reviews that can inspire your wardrobe choices. Engaging with these influencers by commenting, liking, and sharing their content can also help you stay connected to the fashion community. Fashion magazines have been a staple in the industry for decades. They provide comprehensive coverage of the latest fashion trends, runway recaps, and interviews with designers. Subscribing to fashion and magazines or browsing their online counterparts can give you a wealth of information about what is happening in the fashion world. Magazines often feature editorials and fashion spreads that provide visual inspiration for your own outfits. They also publish trend reports that break down the upcoming trends and provide styling tips. Make it a habit to read fashion magazines regularly to ensure you remain fashionable and up to date. Fashion blogs and websites are another valuable resource for staying updated on the latest trends. Many fashion bloggers dedicate their platforms to showcasing their personal style and providing fashion advice. These bloggers often attend fashion shows, collaborate with brands, and share their honest opinions on the latest fashion releases. By following these blogs, you can gain insights into trends they are excited about and how to incorporate them into your own wardrobe. Shopping can also be an educational experience when it comes to staying fashion forward. Visiting fashion-forward stores and observing their displays can give you a sense of the current trends. Many stores also have personal shoppers who can guide you through the latest collections and help you choose pieces that align with your personal style. Exploring different stores, both online and offline, can broaden your fashion horizons and expose you to new designers and brands. Attending fashion exhibitions and events is another way to immerse yourself in the world of fashion and stay updated on the latest trends. These events often feature curated displays of fashionista, contemporary designs, and emerging talents. By attending these exhibitions, you can gain a deeper understanding of fashion as an art form and witness the evolution of trends over time. Fashion forwardness is not solely about following trends blindly but also about expressing your individuality and personal style. Trends come and go, but your unique fashion sense is what sets you apart. Art. Experimenting with different styles, mixing and matching different pieces, and incorporating your own twist into the trends can elevate your fashion game. Remember that fashion is subjective, and what matters most is how you feel in the clothes you wear. Thanks for watching.